to overcome the mentioned health disorders. It has high biological activity, and along with the coating, the honey can effectively discard mucus, which is usually present in the most severe coughing attacks. These wraps are very beneficial, because they can neutralize the bad cough very quickly. Also, another positive thing is that they are especially effective for children. All of the necessary ingredients are well known and easy to find. Honey wrap recipe. Ingredients: honey, flour, vegetable oil, napkin, gauze, Band-Aid adhesive tape. Preparation: firstly, mix the flour with small amount of honey, so that this combination does not stick to your hands. This mixture later will be used for the compress. Add some vegetable oil, and roll it in flour once again. After you complete these steps, place the mixture on a napkin, and wrap the napkin in cheesecloth. Attach this wrap onto chest, or your back by using the plaster adhesive tape. Take care to not place this wrap in the area of the heart. This wrap should be slightly above your heart. If you use this remedy to treat coughs in children, then the best time to put this compress is 2 to 3 hours, before going to bed. Children should not sleep with this wraps attached. If adults are treated with this remedy, their compress can stay for the whole night. If you want enhanced effect, you can add a little bit of mustard powder. You should also put some protection on the sheets, because during this treatment you will probably sweating a lot, and the sheets might get wet. These wraps are very effective because they contain good anti-inflammatory properties and slight warming effects. You will notice that the improvements will come very quickly. You can feel the positive benefits of these wraps even in the initial stage of the disease. Even when you feel improvement only after the first compress, you should repeat this treatment for several days for best healing effects. When you can use these honey wraps. Use these honey wraps when you are experiencing some bad coughs. Children younger than 6 months should not use these honey wraps. Also, if child has some skin injuries or diseases, you should not apply this wraps on his chest or back. One worried Singapore mom named Rachel Lim has tried the honey wrap on her child and shared on Facebook. She says that it was extremely effective. She used virgin coconut oil instead of olive oil, and also she added ginger juice to the honey flour mixture. In her Facebook post, she said, usually about 2 to 3 hours into her baby's sleep, he will start coughing profusely and whine. Last night I paced the wrap for 4 hours, I never hear anything from him, no nasal block, and no phlegm sound also. Throughout whole night there was not a single cough from him. Just like the honey, ginger has been used in the traditional medicine for a very long period of time to soothe coughs and sore throats, and it is one of the best remedies for chest congestion.